Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to use the powerful drill down feature in Microsoft Power BI. Whether you're just starting out with Power BI or you're looking to level up your dashboard skills, this is a fundamental tool for exploring your data in a deeper, more interactive way. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to set up drill down, but you'll also understand exactly how it lets you uncover hidden details and effortlessly switch between summary and detail views. All right, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to add a stacked column chart to your Power BI canvas. To do this, just head over to the Visualizations pane on the right and click on the stacked column chart icon. This chart type is great because it helps you compare different categories at a glance. Think of it like laying the foundation for a house before you start putting up the walls. The stacked column chart is that base layer where all the magic happens. Next, let's feed that chart with your data. Simply drag and drop the fields you want to analyze into the appropriate places. Now, here's a crucial step. Make sure you add at least 2 data fields, either on the x-axis or the y-axis. It doesn't matter which for this example. Let's use sales and target. So drag sales to the axis area and then add target as well. This is what we call building a hierarchy in your data. Imagine it like stacking building blocks. Each level gives you a new perspective on your data. When you have those 2 fields layered, you're setting yourself up to drill down from a broad view into more specific details. Now let's get to the heart of the tutorial, enabling and using the drill down. When you look at your chart, you'll notice a tiny drill down icon that appears on the top corner of the visual, the one that sort of looks like an arrow going down into a hole. Go ahead and click that. What this does is it turns on the drill down mode for the chart. You might think of this like putting on a pair of reading glasses for your data. It lets you focus and zoom in, seeing what's under the surface. With drill down mode activated, try clicking on one of the bars in your stacked column chart. You'll notice the chart instantly transforms, breaking down that segment into a new set of bars based on your second data field. So, for example, if you clicked on a specific year in your sales data, now you'll see how the target values break out for that year. It's a bit like peeling back the outer layer of an onion to reveal what's inside. You're able to see more granular insights without cluttering your report with multiple separate visuals. If you want to keep exploring deeper layers, you can keep clicking on bars to drill further down as long as you have multiple levels in your data hierarchy. And of course, sometimes you'll want to go back to your broader view. To do that, just click the drill up icon, which sits right next to the drill down. Clicking that brings you right back out, almost like walking backwards up the steps of your data ladder. And that's the basics. Drill down in Power BI is really about interactive exploration, letting you and your users answer new questions to the data right inside the chart. If something doesn't look quite right, or if you're not seeing the drill down option, don't worry, double check that you have at least 2 fields stacked in your axis, and that should do the trick. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to see more examples, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.